I got this SureShot sprayer. I used brake fluid in it, but I don't like the way it sprays from the nozzle. As you can see, doesn't satisfy me enough to clean the leftover oil on the oil pan when changing the oil or cleaning the brakes. I just need more spray. So the only options you have here to remove the little piece that inside the nozzle here, whatever you call it, it's a little spray button pin, or I'm not sure what you call it, but there's a small pin inside. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you how this is changed. But even though when I remove it, it gives you straight spray, forward straight, but also that's too strong. So I'm gonna remove the that little pin inside, which is this one here. It's this one right here. So I take it out and I put this one back in, and then you can see, start it a little bit, and you can see how it sprays now straight. This is too strong, so I figure a way to give it just to the medium level. So I don't want to have it to spray that much, or I don't want it to spray like a mist. It doesn't really does that much cleaning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shape this piece. I do have another one, so I don't want to touch this one. I just leave it the way it is, just in case I need it in the future. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just pivot this a little bit, make it a little bit pivoted on the top. So with the cutoff wheel here, put the light here a little bit. So I'm trying to think I have enough light. Just put this light here. Okay. So this is very thin cutoff wheel. I don't want it too wide. I'm just gonna go, as you can see, they already had it cut. They already had it cut right here. Let me get some. So it's already been shaved this way, angle, and the other way, the other side, same thing. I just want to go more this way and more this way. I'm gonna do it carefully so I don't get it too much or not. From the other side, give it just a little bit more. So I don't know if you could see it now. It's more in comparing to the other one. You can see this is more flat, and this has more opening in the top. So let's try it this way. Let's put it back in. Just do this. Just a little bit. Let's see how it sprays now. Okay, let's see. This is much better. As you can see, I changed the angle. Look how it sprays now. Not 200% straight. I mean, not 100% straight, and not a mist. It's enough to clean on a surface I want. This feels much better. Okay, so this is how I just modify the little pin. I'm not sure the name of it, but this is the little pin goes inside this nozzle here. So that fixed my issue, and just I hope this has helped if you have this issue with this kind of nozzle, and any one of those, not just SureShot, anyone similar to this sprayer. After you put air in it, it doesn't really give you the satisfaction of the sprayer. Probably most of you guys notice this, and I'm very much happy with it right now. So versus a flat here on the surface, I just pivoted on the top, and like I said, I opened it. I just went with the already cut edge here, went this way and this way. Where is my pointer? So from here and from here. Okay, so I make it just a little bit, it's like this. So now it goes like very much about 6-7 inches hard, and then it opens up. It goes more wide, give it better angle. So that's the way I want it. I know they sell one with the adjustable nozzle, but it is what it is. That's what I have right now. So I just hope this video was helpful. This is what I decided to do. So if you want to do it this way, that's something. Here is an idea to do it. Thank you for watching.